Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Microsoft as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 5.07. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of negative 3.89%. This translates to an average loss of negative 1.30% per day, since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend over the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential decline of approximately 12% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 15% and negative 4%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis reveals an anticipated change of around negative 4%. According to our projections, the stock's performance could vary from negative 4% to 16% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price that could fall between $359.46 and $437.82. Our latest daily update for Microsoft features the headline, Microsoft stock downgraded to strong sell candidate. The Microsoft stock price declined by 0.9% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 31st of March, 2025. The price fell from $378.80 to $375.39. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.66%, ranging from a low of $367.24 to a high of $377.02. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has demonstrated a decline of 3.42%. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day by 14 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 35 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $13.15 billion. Over the last 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $468.35, while the lowest price was $367.24. Currently, the price stands at 19.85%, or $92.96, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft has made headlines recently as analysts expect a mullet year for U.S. software companies, predicting volatile performance in the first half, followed by better prospects in the latter half. This comes as Jefferies reduced price targets for major players, including Microsoft, which may create short-term pressures on its stock. A notable development is the ongoing investigation by Levi and Korsinski regarding potential data privacy violations involving Activision and Call of Duty purchases. This scrutiny could affect Microsoft's reputational standing, particularly given its ownership of Activision. On a more positive note, Microsoft continues to expand its artificial intelligence capabilities, bolstered by early investments in OpenAI. Innovations such as the integration of Reltio with Microsoft Fabric and the addition of over 700 connectors by Fivetran are expected to enhance its data integration and analytics capabilities, positioning Microsoft strongly in the AI landscape. Despite a 17% decline from recent highs, Microsoft's fundamentals remain robust, with a reported 12% revenue growth year over year, primarily driven by Azure and AI services. The company's significant investment in AI infrastructure, projected at $80 billion, underscores its commitment to maintaining competitiveness. Overall, while short-term fluctuations might create some uncertainty, The long-term growth prospects for Microsoft appear solid, particularly as it navigates through these challenges while continuing to drive innovation in AI and cloud services. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Microsoft a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned Microsoft an outperform grade with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. For return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The Microsoft stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $387.75 and $395.21. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 28, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 16%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased amidst falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Hence, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 44 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was noted just 1 day ago. Short-term Moving Average, a sell signal appeared 4 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, a sell signal was recorded 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 41 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, a sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal recorded 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal that occurred 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Currently, there is no support based on accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are right, the stock may experience significant decline in the coming days. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with ample liquidity, the associated risk is regarded as quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $9.78 between its high and low, which translates to a change of 2.66%. Throughout the last week, the stock demonstrated an average daily volatility of 1.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, often observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.20. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $391.26. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating from Microsoft from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 19th of March, 2025, Coleman Amy conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 13th of March, 2025, Walmsley Emma N. made an insider purchase of 1,245 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of March, 2025, Rodriguez Carlos A. executed an insider purchase of 859 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of March, 2025, Pritzker Penny S. conducted an insider purchase of 28,629 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of March, 2025, Peterson Sandra E. made an insider purchase of 54,057 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 30.438. In total, insiders bought 162,424 shares and sold 300,294 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. We hold a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a sell recommendation to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we expect Microsoft to open lower by $2.17, beginning at $373.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. We invite you to share your opinions in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.